We're in a youth entrepreneurship program where we learn how to innovate and create ideas and expand upon them. I wanted to spend my summer learning and doing something instead of staying at home, and essentially I wanted to grow and learn more about the world and how the world of business itself.
I'm doing this because I wanted to test my limits and see what else I'm capable of doing for myself. Being more creative with school projects, being more creative in the way I make things, being more efficient in the way I do it. That's a skill you can use anywhere.
Twenty One Toys was here today. We first worked on the empathy toy and then we worked on the failure toy. Both of them teach very valuable lessons.
So we basically had a wheel and we had a whole bunch of irregular shapes and some of them had magnets and we had to get it on the ring without it falling over onto back onto the table.
Failure toy is very fun because it teaches you that with every failure there's an opportunity to grow stronger.
It's okay to fail because in every situation you fail in, you learn from it and you grow, and you can use that growth to succeed in the future. It's a lot of fun and there's a lot of learning experience that it's applicable not only in the field of business but in many other fields you apply yourself to. You can learn failure in any situation. You can learn it in sports, puzzles, school. Failure is inherently a part of life, and learning to get back up after falling down is a very useful life skill.